Hi friends, this is Rama from Rama Dazzlers. In today's video, I wanted to share about Tulasi Tea Beneficial for Obesity, Cough and Cold. We need 10 to 15 Tulasi leaves, black pepper powder 2 pinches, tea powder 1 by 4th spoon and honey 1 by 4th spoon. Tulasi tea helps prevent certain respiratory illness ranging from cold and cough to bronchitis and asthma. It helps to enhance immunity. Black pepper and other types of pepper have been used in Ayurveda and alternative medicines for reducing free radicals. Honey reduces effect on your insulin and glucose levels. Honey can be used with different types of tea, not just for the health benefits but also for a better taste. On the stove, boil water in a pan. Wash the tulasi leaves thoroughly before chopping them. Add the tea powder in it. To this, add the tulasi leaves and black pepper powder and allow it to boil for 5 to 10 minutes. Tulasi helps to relieving cough and cold. Tulasi helps in expelling out the phlegm. Black pepper helps to promoting weight loss and balancing the body's water content. Now off the stove and strain it into a cup. Add honey for better results. Stirring a bit of honey to tea may loosen phlegm, soothe pain and soreness, and suppress a cough. This tea is beneficial for obesity, cough, and cold. Honey makes your body to glow and shine. This is a weight loss recipe. Thanks for watching my videos regularly. Thank you so much, friends.